May I call on stage champion Anton? Anton, go for it.
Raf, you marry me?
Yes.
Today I heard my favorite song on the radio. I closed my eyes and saw a first hello, and then I saw the time we fell in love in each other's arms. I opened up my
Di siya masasaktan kung hindi niya alam. That's why we'll keep it a secret affair.
Suddenly I realized how I love you so, and how I get surprised without your love. Since the time we'd say goodbye, it's hard to make you stay. How I wish you'd never go away.
Sakit!
Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know. If you and I will always be in love forevermore. Don't leave me with just memories all alone.
Eh diba minsan, kahit na alam natin na mali ang isang bagay, ginagawa pa rin natin kasi kailangan.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko nagawa sa ito.
Today I read your letters and waited for your call. I wondered if you think of me at all. Then I turned the radio on and heard a favorite song. Then I knew you'll soon be coming home. Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know. If you and I will always be in love forevermore. Don't leave me with just memories all alone, all alone, all alone. Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go.
Kung may nagawa tayong mali in our past, let's promise each other we won't take it against each other, okay?
Please be with me. Please choose me.
Please don't make a scene, Rafi. Isipin mo the sin you committed against me.
Actually, I had him first.
And so, ano ba tingin mo sa mga lalaki, bulate? May pa-early bird promo, the early bird catches the worm.